to my cozy kitchen. If it's your first time coming across this channel, welcome and thank you for stopping by. If you're interested in personal development, healthy plant-based eating, or just anything in between, stick around and subscribe because that's what this channel is about. So I've been craving a lot of chocolate lately and I decided let me just make cupcakes. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna have very chocolatey cupcakes. So let me show you the ingredients. So here are the ingredients I'll be using. Today's cupcake is not vegan, so I'll be using milk, but you can easily substitute that milk with non-dairy milk. And also I'll be using rama, which has whey powder in it, but you can easily substitute it for one of these vegan butters or any vegan butter or spread of your choice. So first we're going to start with the flour. I use 1.5 cup of flour and then 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, unsweetened. You can sieve it to take out those spots, but I didn't bother. Then I put in white sugar and brown sugar, 1/2 cup each, and then baking soda, 1 teaspoon of it. I mix that up, and then I put milk. I used 1 cup of milk. And then I use canola oil, 1/3 cup of canola oil. And then 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence or vanilla extract. I used 1 flax egg. You can use a normal egg or you can use applesauce depending on you. I then lined my tray and then put the batter in. So I put it in the oven for 25 minutes. Now we're going to do the frosting. I used the rama as I had said before. It's 1/3 cup of butter or margarine or any of a butter that you choose. And then for icing sugar, I put 3 cups of icing sugar, but here I noticed that I still use the 3/4 cup measurement. So later on I'm just going to add another cup of icing sugar just to make it 3 cups. And then the cocoa powder was also 3/4 cup. And then the vanilla is 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence or vanilla extract. So my cupcakes got ready and I had to take them out before I finished my frosting. And now be careful with the milk. Put 2 tablespoons of milk in and then mix it up first. And that's how my frosting is. I really wanted really chocolatey cake, so that's why I used also chocolate frosting, but you can use any other. You don't have to put cocoa powder in it. You can just make it cream frosting or any frosting of your choice. So this is how I'm going to pipette, I guess. I tried it previously and it didn't work out, so this is my second attempt at this. So I kind of googled a bit of stuff and I learned how to do it. Cut off a bit of a corner and let's try again. Ooh, that worked out nice. Not so nice. Better. Oh, I flopped, but it's fine. This is how it looks like. It looks a bit of like that emoji, but it's fine. All I want is chocolate. Chocolatey, chocolatey, chocolatey goodness. So here are my very chocolatey cupcakes. They're very, very delicious. I really enjoy these cupcakes. So yeah, they satisfied that craving and they're so nice. Oh, they taste so great. So yeah, I kind of like changed up the top because it kind of looked like, yeah. But yeah, I switched it up and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Go give it a try, share it with your friends. Let me know how you tried it and how it tastes for you because this satisfied my chocolate craving and I'm happy. Thank you guys for watching. Love you guys.